Did you know that the twilight mist, a rare atmospheric phenomenon, can actually whisper? This isn't a fairy tale. In certain conditions, when the sun sets at just the right angle, the mist refracts sound waves, creating a soft, eerie hum. Scientists have discovered that this natural symphony is caused by the unique way water droplets in the mist scatter sound. It's like nature's own orchestra, playing a secret tune only a few can hear. Next time you're in a misty twilight, listen closely. You might just catch the whisper of the mist.